Hello everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. This time I'm going to be showing you how to use c9.io. It's an online IDE workspace environment, so basically you can program on the internet without having to download some software. So this will be really useful for if you're switching devices, like if you want to do it at work or at home, at school even, just anywhere where you have internet. So you just go to this website and you'll have your workspace, it'll be saved. And it's really advanced. You have many different programming languages and like everything. It's pretty crazy. So yeah, let's check out some of the stuff. If you have Git, you can clone the environment to make it on here. You have different languages, of course, different terminals you can use. Debugger. You could change the theme, the theme, the console color, the view, like split it up and stuff, just a whole bunch of crap, and it's really awesome. And you can view images, and yep, do a whole bunch of stuff. And then, so yeah, let's check out the pricing. So the pricing, you have a free, of course, which is awesome. Free works perfectly. And then you have these special ones for different types of things. So if you don't want your workspace to ever go like idle, which it'll do if you don't touch it for a few days, you could get this. So that's what that is. But yeah, so you can check out the premium features on your own. So let's get started. You make your own account by signing up right here, and then it'll take you through a process, and then you have to give them your credit card, but it will not charge you if you do not want the premium thing. So yep, go ahead and do that. Then I'll meet you after. So after you're done signing up and everything, you'll be to this screen, and you'll have all your workspaces here. You might not have any because you just signed up, but so let's make a new one. So now we're going to create a new one. So give it a name it whatever you want. YouTube. Oops, can't make it couple. So YouTube sucks. It's cool. Just kidding. So your team, you turn this off if you don't have premium. Public or private doesn't matter. If you want public, then other people can use it or see it, whatever. And then you can choose your template, all the languages you can choose from. I think we'll just stick with HTML. So yep. Then you can clone it if you want to. I don't really want to, so. So clone, we can do remote. That's pretty cool. A lot of stuff is really cool. So let's get started. Create a new workspace. So once you're in here, you'll have your workspace all set up, so you can view all your files. So I don't really care about this, so I'm gonna close this. Then we can open a file just by clicking on it, or double clicking, I mean. And then you can have this. Here's all your text, everything, your code, and everything. Pretty cool theme. Doesn't really match with the outside layout, but our theme. But yeah. So after you have that, let's just go over the basics. So we can make a new file or folder by right-clicking wherever you want it, and then new folder. There you go. So if you want a file inside that, right-click it, and then do new file. Bob.html. There we go. Oops. Let's close this. We're not ready for that. So also we can upload our own files. So if we want to do that, we could upload local files. So if we go to our desktop, 1 second, let me pull up the files. So let's say I want to add all these files. Drag and drop. Let it load. See, it's all loading there. I have a lot of files I just uploaded, so yeah, that's that. So while I was doing that, I'm going to show you how to run the file. So we go back here, and then let's say we want to run it, right? We just click run, let it load, and then once it's done, you click this little link right here, open, and then we can ignore this, that's our thing. And then here's your file that you just made, so you click this, that's what the file was, so yeah, that's that. So let's go to Bob, and we'll add some stuff. H1, hi, I'm Bob. Oops. Cool, no one cares. Dude. I spelled dude wrong, but whatever. So Control S to save, and then we can run it again. New file. So open it up. There it is. close the other one if you want to. But so let's go back here and edit it, add some stuff. So we'll control save again, and then if we just reload, it'll be changed. So you don't have to click the run every time, which is pretty cool. So it's like a live reload almost, except it's not really live. You just have to reload. But yeah, it's really cool. So after that, I'm going to show you the console. So if you look here, we have a Java console, so we can do some Java. Bob equals 5, Bob 5, you know, so simple Java stuff. So alert, oops, hello, then you get your alert. Pretty cool. You have your other console, which is a basic terminal. So do some stuff in here. ls, show all the files. cd, hi. ls again, show more files. rm, Bob. Now Bob is gone because we just removed it. If you know anything about command line, yeah, then you'll know what that means. So now I'm going to show you how to change it. So like every time you edit a file, it'll automatically save for you. So then see up here, it shows that it's not saved. So we want to change it so it saves automatically. So if you go here and go to preferences, and if you go to experimental, we can turn on autosave. Okay. The autosave, and then we can turn on the dark theme, which is pretty cool. So after that, we have to reload. So now we're back. So we can say, oop, let's get rid of this. Then, yep, it already saved. So look, watch this. Let's make a new file. Then we'll just change it. Boom, saved. See, that's pretty cool. So that's that. So now I'm going to show you how to change the theme, which is really awesome. If you go to here, you have the theme, and you can change it to whatever you want. Yes. Okay, so there's your dark theme, and then here's your theme. Let's see what else we got. Then you have your different views. You can change some stuff here. So if you want to work on different files at the same time, which is really awesome. So this, as you can tell, this is all very advanced. So if you have the syntax here, you can change to all these different markup languages and stuff. Really cool. But yeah. So if you really want to look at some stuff, go to preferences, and you can change the different options. There's a whole bunch of options you can look at. So it's really cool. Yeah. So that's all very advanced. So now I'm going to recommend a website that you can use to get started with HTML and other languages for the web. It's called W3 Schools. It's really cool. You can go here and then you can learn all these different languages and stuff, which is awesome. So I highly recommend that. And then that's about it. So I didn't show you every single detail of this IDE, but it's really advanced, as you can tell. And you can do many things. So I'll be programming with this in the future, so stay tuned if you care. So yeah, it's just a really cool IDE for many different programming languages. And so I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment. So I'll see you next time. Peace.